back to my channel. So guys, for today's video I'm going to be filming an organization video, basically just showing you guys how I organize Elias's room, like mainly like his drawers and dressers, like where all his clothes go, and his closet. I'm just going to give you guys some tips, what I like to do to organize and everything like that. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I just want to kind of give you guys like a little overview of what it looks like over here. So this is the changing pad that I have here with one of the little liners. This is the Munchkin brand. I love these because if he ever has an accident, I can just wash this instead of this, because this is a little harder to clean. So I absolutely love this. And it also has a buckle here, so if I want to strap him down, if I need to like grab something really quick, I can strap him down while he's on here. And I love this cover too, it's really soft and I just love the print. But yeah, this is where I change him in the room. And then this dresser is from IKEA. Absolutely love it. I love the like frosted glass here. I will link it in the description box down below. But yeah, so this is what I use for all his diapers, his clothes, everything like that. And I'm gonna show you guys the inside and like how I organize it. All right, so this is the first drawer. This is where I keep like all the diapers, burp cloths, all that stuff, but I'll go into detail. So basically, move this out the way. How I organize these is with these little bins. I got these from IKEA as well. Absolutely love these. It helps keep everything organized and kind of in its area. So I think they were like $8 or $9 for all of these. So I'll link it down below as well. But over here on this side, I basically just have all his diapers. I just have like some Huggies ones, some Honest ones that I got, which they're so cute. Love these little Pampers. But yeah, and then in the back over here, I have some Vaseline. I don't really use this anymore. I used this back when he had his circumcision. We had to use this, but I don't use it anymore. So I just keep it in here just in case. But yeah, so this is all diapers. Then over here, I basically just have like little toys that I didn't have room for anywhere else. So little teething toys. That's extra. Little pacifier. This one went with the little monkey, but he doesn't like this one, so I just kind of threw it back in here. I have some of the hospital ones, which he really likes. More of those. Just a bunch of like little pacifiers in here. I have another one. But yeah, so I just have some pacifiers there. I also have some baby powder. I actually haven't used baby powder yet on him because he's been having like some rashes, and my pediatrician said stay away from powder right now. So I just have it in here but haven't used it yet. I have some Johnson's baby wash of that. What else? I have some Johnson lotion that I use on him after he takes a bath. I use that one, and I also need to get a big bottle of this one because like I said, he has rashes. There we go. So he has like little rashes. So the pediatrician gave me some of these to try on him, which it works really good with his skin. So I'm going to have to get a big bottle of this. But I use this mainly like on his face or neck area, and then I'll use the Johnson on the rest of his body. And yeah, let me finish over here. And then I also have some Pacifier Wipes right here. I have like 2 packs of those there. I have some Bibs. Now I have a bunch of Bibs, but I really like these. Like I've only used it one time, but when he starts eating like regular food and baby food, I'm definitely going to use these because you can just wipe them off. They're plastic. So instead of having to stick them in the wash, you literally can just clean them off with like a wipe or something, or wipe it down. And yeah, then I have these little mesh baggies, so when I wash like his socks or mittens, I don't lose them in the wash or the dryer. So I have those there. And then this bin here is all bibs, so all type of bibs. I have the bandana ones, which I really like. I have some just regular bibs. I have a Christmas bib, but just the regular ones. I also have the ones that have, let me pull it out, that have the little teething toy at the end as well. So I really like all of these. He goes through bibs like crazy, guys. If you're pregnant and watching this and it's your first, get lots and lots of bibs because you will be washing them like crazy. But yeah, so in that little bin there is all bibs. This back bin right here is all washcloths. This is what I use when I take them a bath, or I just have to like clean them off a little. But yeah, these are just literally all washcloths in here. And then I have another lotion. This is for dry skin. I got this at the hospital as well. Focus. Yeah, they gave me this as well. So he has a lot of dry skin, so I have to switch up his lotions. And then in this bin over here, which is like a long bin, looks like this. This is all his burp cloths in here, and swaddle blankets. I also have just one of the extra little liners that I had up here. Here I have like a pack of 3 that I had. But yeah, so I have some burp cloths here, which you can never have too many burp cloths. Literally, I got this from Winnie Palmer. I think they gave it to me. But yes, get lots of burp cloths. You'll go through those like crazy. And then, like I said, I have some swaddle blankets in here that I keep. And then more of the little liners. And the hat from the hospital. But yeah, so I have those in that bin. And this bin is just the wipes. So just keep some wipes in there. I have some A&D for like if he has a diaper rash or anything. I have a comb. I also have this, what is it called? Baby Bum, to put the diaper rash cream on him so you don't have to put it on your hands and all that. I absolutely love this. I got it on Amazon for like $7 or $8, but I like it because you don't have to get your hands all full of the cream. You just put it on here and wipe it on his butt, and that's it. And then some more diaper rash cream over here, just like little mini washes, a little thermometer in there, so just little miscellaneous stuff in there. And then on top, I just kept here was these little disposable bibs that I got as well. And then one of those little like grooming kits with like a brush, thermometer, nail clipper, all that kind of stuff. I just keep right on top of here as well. So that is pretty much everything that's in the first drawer. Here's a little overview. But yeah, so that's everything in the first drawer. Now the second drawer is clothes, and he has a bunch. Oh my god, it is organized, I swear, but he has so much clothes, it's like overflowing right now. So we'll start on this side. So on this side is basically all pajamas, all sleepers, everything that he'll sleep with. So that's literally all in here, and it is in bins. These are the same bins that were in the top one. They're just a different color. They're blue, but same bin. So this one is pretty big. It's like a huge square. I like it. But I put all his sleepers in there. So I'm talking about like the pajama ones that are footed like this. So I have all of those here. I have some extras here that didn't fit. And just like a little hat that I had. Just like little extra clothes that didn't fit in there. I just kind of put on the side here to utilize the space. And then there's 2 little mini square bins here. So these are separate. These are 2 different ones here. One is full of socks. These are all his little socks in here. And then these are all mittens and hats back here. So, and these are overflowing as well. So back here, like I said, all the little hats and stuff. I have some knitted ones from the hospital, some little Jordan ones. So yeah, it's just hats and mittens all in that little back one over here. And then this side is basically just like regular onesies, the long white, the long sleeve, I can't talk, long sleeve white ones, which are these you'll want like a bunch of, because it's just good to keep them in little ones so you don't dirty all the nice outfits. But I have a bunch of those in here, like different colors, just regular onesies basically is all I have in here. And it's pretty deep. So that's basically everything that's on this like square one here. It's another big square one like it is over here. And then there's no actually dividers back here. It's just the drawer. Like I said, everything is overflowing that you can't even tell. But in here, I'll move some out of the way. On the side here is just all of his pants. So like shorts, little joggers, which I love these. These are so cute, but they don't fit him yet. But yeah, just have all his little pants here. I don't like to hang up his pants because I feel like they just fall off the hanger. So I just prefer to keep them in the drawers here. And it's just easier access to all his stuff. So yeah, I keep all the little pants here. And trust me, the dividers help. It makes so much more space in the drawers. Okay, so this is the last drawer. In this drawer, basically, I do have some dividers in here. I only have 2 though. So I have one big square one and then one rectangle one over here. There's no dividers over here. Basically, I just keep a bunch of blankets here. The hospital blankets, literally keep these guys. Come in handy with these. I put one in his like bassinet that he can lay on. I would definitely suggest keeping these from the hospital. But yeah, I just have some fuzzy blankets in here. I don't really use too much of these. I have a bunch. I just put them over his car seat when it's kind of cold out, but it's Florida, so it's not really that cold all the time. More hospital blankets. And then these little throw blankets as well. I got this one for like a Christmassy one. But yeah, so these are all blankets over here. And then in this middle bin here, I have receiving blankets. I think that's what it's called. Little receiving blankets here. Got a bunch of these. I even have more down here. I have so many receiving blankets, literally. I don't know what the difference is between a regular blanket and a receiving blanket besides it being thinner, but yeah. So I have those there. Then I also have some swaddles that have the little Velcro. Now these didn't work out too well for Elias. I think he just absolutely hated being like Velcroed shut. He just like wanted to break free of it, and because he couldn't, he got mad and he was just crying too much. So we don't really use those anymore. I just swaddle him regular. And then I have a car seat cover. Looks like this. You can even use it if you're breastfeeding. It has like multiple uses, but I use this over the car seat since I do not breastfeed. But yeah, that's that. And then this here is one of those, I don't know what they're called, like carrying, the thing that you like wrap around and you can carry them on you, if that makes any freaking sense at all. I have that. I have like 3 of them, but me personally, I really like the one that straps that I got. And if I remember, I will insert a clip of it or a picture of what I'm talking about. But I just prefer ones that have like little straps because I just feel more secure. I feel like these, I don't know, like I just feel like I have to hold them and like it defeats the purpose. So, but I do have 2 of them because I got them as gifts for my baby shower. And yeah, more receiving blankets down here. And then this side is more pants, literally. But these are all ones for when he gets older or that don't fit him. Like he's already 3 months, but these are too big on him. Like they do not fit him. So I just, whatever he's not currently wearing right now or is too big, I put in the bottom drawer since I don't really use the bottom drawer too much. But yeah, so these are just like pants for when he gets older. Like I have 6 months in here, 9 months. But yeah. And I absolutely love the little basketball shorts. I think they're like so stinking cute. But yeah, so that's everything in this little bin here. And then I just have like an extra boppy pillow cover here. I have stuff that came with the stroller, like little instruction manuals. I still have an extra divider that just didn't fit anywhere, but I have an extra one here. I love these things, and how they work, I'll show you guys. Basically, you just zipper them, and like I said, they're from IKEA. If I can find the link, I will link them in the description. But that's how they work. I freaking love these things. They're awesome, and they keep just everything so easy and organized. But yeah, this is like little miscellaneous stuff here, just little instruction manuals from things that I got just in case I need to use them, like the stroller, which if you guys want to see a review or have a review on the Even Flow pivot stroller, which I absolutely love this stroller, I can do that as well in another video. But yeah, so that is pretty much everything in the whole dresser, and I will show you guys a little overview of the closet and go over that too. All right guys, so this is his closet. I'll just give you guys a quick overview of everything. Ignore the luggage there, I need space to put my suitcase. But yeah, this is like an overview of the whole closet. So yeah, I will start off here, I guess. So basically, I just have everything hanged up. All of his like dress shirts, like his church shirts, I call them, and like just nice onesies, jackets, everything like that I keep up here because I really don't have a lot of room in the drawers, and I just prefer them to be hung up. So that's everything here, and I have it in order of size. So it starts from newborn, 0 to 3 months, 3 months, then 3 months continues down here, 3 to 6, so on and so forth. So I have them in order so I know like where to find his sizes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for everything hanging up. Then right below it, I just have these two like bear things. These are actually mine, they're not even his, but I didn't have space in my closet, so I just put them there. And then I have the letterboard just saying his day, his name, sorry, the day he was born, time, pounds, everything like that. I'd like to keep it in here just as a memory. I was thinking of changing it up, but it's like, I don't know, like I kind of like how it is right now. So for now it's gonna stay like that. And then I just have this little I don't know what you call it, bin thing, I don't know, it was from Walmart literally, and these bins are literally from the Dollar Tree. So I absolutely love them, and they were only $1, but I just keep little extra toys in here. These are clothes that no longer fit him anymore, so, and I don't really want to give away just yet. So I keep those in there. Here are all types of little teddy bears, some teething toys, some little extra toys in there. Here's clothes that didn't fit in the drawers or are hung up. These are actually clothes that he hasn't worn yet, and they're too big. And then I have, what do I have here? I used to use this on his car seat, the little head thing, but I no longer use it, so I just keep it here. This was all my breast pump stuff, but I don't breastfeed anymore, so I just keep it here. Oh, and this is actually the thing I was talking about, the thing that he straps in. Yeah, it kind of looks confusing right now. I will put a picture of what it looks like. But yeah, this I really like I said, I just feel like it gives more support when I'm carrying him with the straps and stuff. But yeah, I love this because it just keeps everything organized. If I didn't have this, it would kind of just be laying everywhere. And then over here is just one of the rockers, which I love. This one, I'll show you guys real quick. It just opens like this and it rocks back and forth and it plays music. So I love this. This is a Fisher Price one. And he knocks out in this thing, so I like this. So I just keep that there. And then, like I said, just the rest of his clothes all the way up until 24 months I have. And then this is honestly just like little miscellaneous stuff. This is like refills for the diaper genie that I have. His baby monitor I don't use yet because he doesn't sleep in there. And then just like a little board that I got, some baby print things, just little extra stuff just lying here. And then I also have two little shoes for him, even though he's not old enough. Well, I mean, he could wear shoes, but his feet aren't big enough for these yet. But I just have two little pairs of shoes here. And then I have a bunch of diapers, like a bunch of diapers and wipes. I did a gender reveal, and whoever came to my gender reveal brought diapers and wipes. So guys, this is like a huge blessing. I haven't had to buy any diapers, and it's amazing. So I am super blessed to have all this stuff because baby stuff is expensive. But yeah, so guys, this is pretty much it for the closet. That is all the organization. I mean, besides this is really like the only organization I have, but this is just like how I like to set everything up. And usually like right here I will keep his tub after it's bath day and it's dried and everything. I will leave it here because I just don't like to leave it in the bathroom. But that's pretty much it, guys. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed all the tips and organizations that I have and showed you guys in the video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notified every single time that I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.